Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Bits Bank. Today we would like to discuss few history MCQs asked in SSC CHSL previous year exams, and this is part 4 of our video series. Hope you have watched the other parts, part 1 and 2 and 3, and the links have been provided in the description box. And also friends, the PDF is also available. The link has been provided in the description box, and the PDF contains nothing but the questions which we are going to discuss in this session. And also friends, you can join us on Telegram. This is the link, Exam Bits Bank. You can search with this username, and however the link also has been provided in the description box. So without wasting time, let's move on to MCQs. And here's the question number 1. Bharatiya Janata Party is a part of which political group? The options are United Progressive Alliance, National Democratic Alliance (NDA), Janata Parivar or Rashtra Parivar. The correct answer for this question is option B, NDA, National Democratic Alliance. And currently Amit Shah is the chairperson of the party. A point to be noted. Moving on to next question. Who was the eldest brother among the Pandavas? The options are Yudhishthira, Bhima, Sahadeva or Nakula. And the answer for this question is option A, Yudhishthira. So Yudhishthira was the eldest brother among Pandavas, and Pandavas were the 5 powerful skilled sons of King Pandu, and he was the king of Hastinapur. And here's the order, and eldest being Yudhishthira, followed by Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva. Moving on to next question. Adolf Hitler, the Danish politician, was responsible for genocide of millions of Jews. Options are German, French, Austrian or British. Generally, for which country does he belong to? And the correct answer for this question is option A, German politician. So Adolf Hitler was a German politician, and he was the leader of Nazi party and also the Chancellor of Germany from 1933 to 1945. Also, he initiated the World War II in Europe with the invasion of Poland in the year September 1939, and it lasted till 1945, the Second World War. Moving on to next question. What does the wheel in the national flag represent? The options are speed, truth, growth or future. And the correct answer for this question is option C, growth. So the wheel represents the dynamism of a peaceful changes in the world, and also the 24 spokes represent the teachings of Buddha. Moving on to next question. Dash comprises the archaeological remains of a monastic and scholastic institution. The options are Nalanda, Rani Ki Vav, hill forts of Rajasthan or Fatehpur Sikri. The correct answer for this question is option A, Nalanda. So Nalanda comprises the archaeological remains of a monastic and scholastic institution, and it is a famous university present in Bihar, which was established by Kumaragupta. Important point to be noted. Moving on to next question. Gandhiji started the non-cooperation movement in which year? The options are 1880, 1900, 1920, 1940. The correct answer for this question is option C, 1920. So Gandhiji started the non-cooperation movement in the year 1920, and it was led by him after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, which took place in the year 1919. And also the ideas of ahimsa and non-violence were the key for success of non-cooperation movement. And also this movement aimed to resist the British rule in India through non-violent means, and the protesters would refuse to buy British goods and adopt the use of local handicrafts, etc. Moving on to next question. Who has served maximum time as the Prime Minister of India? The options are Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Manmohan Singh, or Lal Bahadur Shastri? The correct answer for this question is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. So Jawaharlal Nehru has served the maximum time as the Prime Minister of India, and he emerged as a paramount leader of the Indian independence movement and ruled India as an independent nation from 1947 until his death in 1964. And he considered to be the architect of modern Indian nation state, a sovereign socialist, secular and democratic republic. Moving on to next question. People in all the following countries had to be resettled after the 1986 Chernobyl nuclear disaster, except which country? The options are Kazakhstan, Belarus, Russia, or Ukraine. And the correct answer for this question is option A, Kazakhstan. People in Kazakhstan didn't have to be resettled after the 1986 incident, and it took place in present-day Ukraine, northern side. Moving on to next question. Which of the following countries got independence from the UK? Uzbekistan, Pakistan, Venezuela, or South Korea? And the correct answer for this question is option B, Pakistan. They got their independence on 14th August 1947. Moving on to next question. Battle of Kannauj was fought in the year. The options are 1764, 1526, 1540, or 1857. Sorry. The correct answer is option C, 1540. So Battle of Kannauj was fought in the year 1540 between Afghan ruler Sher Shah and the Mughal ruler Humayun, in which Humayun was defeated. Moving on to next question. When did Jallianwala Bagh tragedy occur? The options are 13th April 1867, 15th June 1947, or 13th April 1919, or 17th May 2011. The correct answer for this question is option C, 13th April 1919. So Jallianwala Bagh tragedy occurred on 13th April 1919, and this massacre occurred under the command of Colonel Reginald Dyer, and around 379 people are died in this massacre. Moving on to next question. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal for? Options are Marjani, Mehbooba, Mehjabin, or Mumtaz. The correct answer for this question is option D, Mumtaz. So Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal for his wife Mumtaz Mahal in the year 1631, and it was a white marble mausoleum on the south bank of Yamuna River in Agra. A point to be noted. Moving on to next question. Who started Ganesha festival? The options are Mahatma Gandhi, Lokmanya Tilak, Pandit Nehru, or Indira Gandhi. And the correct answer for this question is option B, Lokmanya Tilak started Ganesha festival to promote culture and nationalism and gather public to fight against Britishers through public procession. And also, it is a 10-day long Hindu festival celebrated to honor the younger son, Lord Ganesha, son of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. Moving on to next question. Adolf Hitler was from which country? We have discussed this question in our earlier MCQs. The options are France, Germany, United Kingdom, or Spain. And the correct answer for this question is option B, Germany. And he was the leader of Nazi Party and served as Chancellor of Germany from 1933 to 1945. We have discussed earlier. And moving on to next question. The Renaissance is a period in Europe from the which century to which century? 18th to 20th century, 14th to 17th, 11th to 13th, or 7th to 10th? And the correct answer for this question is option B, 14th to 17th century. So the Renaissance is a period in Europe from 14th to 17th century, and it is regarded as a cultural bridge between the Middle Ages and modern history. So that's it guys from part 4 of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification when we post a new one. And also friends, you can join our Telegram group for more PDFs and more precise information. The link has been provided in the description box. Thank you. Thanks for watching.